phone?
No, my just good. Just relax.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I was so scared to push. So I didn't poop. So I guess.
No, you're
Is the poop out of the way or is it still?
Yeah, move. Wear your blanket, your bedsheet, your bed, so yeah.
I feel no more contractions.
Yeah, I feel what about. For the placenta, sorry.
Sometimes may come right away.
Okay. Yeah, man, you cry, man, you cry.
She good here, I don't want to know what.
That's not something good. Alright. Pana, we need more blankets, huh?
It's 10:10 p.m. On Wednesday. I literally just walked into my apartment. I never thought that I would actually be starting a video like this, but here we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I just got back home. I spent the night at my sister's house. I got my nails done. She got my nails together. She got my wax situation together. My vagina feels like a brand new vagina. So we are getting one step closer to being prepared to birth this entire human. I picked up 2 packages. Well, my mom actually picked up 2 packages for me today. The 2 bags that I would have ordered from Amazon. Listen, let me pop you guys up. Let me prop you guys up somewhere so that this can really make sense. These are our packages. I'm gonna open them. Let's put it here. Maybe this angle might be better. Is this angle better? Look at my tummy. Oh Lord, y'all. Look at my tummy. My vagina feels so brand new. I literally want to show you guys, but I can't. Because the way YouTube is set up, they won't let me. But trust me when I tell you, oh baby. So I ordered 2 bags from Amazon. I ordered them a month ago. Amazon sends me a message, hey, your package might be lost, request a refund. So I request a refund, I get the refund, and then the packages show up anyways. But of course, we're not about to question how God decides to bless us. So I'm assuming that this is Aiden's bag. Oh, so cute! It's a yellow school bus. Just now, baby. 1 second, okay? Yes, yellow school bus. Yellow school bus. He's holding on to my leg. Listen, when I tell y'all my tummy it's been feeling so heavy lately. I am really just praying that we make it till the end of the month because there's still a lot of things that I have to get prepped, and I really don't like not being prepared for stuff. So there's still a lot of things I need to get prepped. I haven't booked my room yet. There are a lot of fees and things that we still need to take care of. So it's just a lot. It's just a lot. Alright. I'm definitely going to film a what's in my hospital bag video as well. How adorable is this? And it came with the matching lunch kit. So it's the school bag and the matching lunch kit. Buddy, come and see your bag. And the inside of this is insulated, which is great. Look, your yellow school bus bag. Yellow school bus. Alright. Let me put this away. And let me open the other one. I'm getting the feeling that this bag is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I don't want to judge it too soon, but I'm just getting the feeling that it is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be. is definitely a lot smaller, that's for sure. The inside is this really, really pretty red. Love that. The quality of the bag is really good though. Let's talk about that. The quality of it is really, really good. When I tell y'all I was not prepared, believe me. How did we get here?